Page 10, Down in the Dungeons. This is number 20 at the bottom of the page. Again, we're just using the two notes we've been using. It's a little longer and different rhythm, and we'll see what happens. I'll look it over. It's 2 lines long. See, the last piece, Coffee Bean, was actually 2 lines long, but it's the same line repeated. So I only had 1 line of music to learn. And that's really what I'm concerned about at the beginning. This thing is 2 lines long, so now I got 2 lines of music to learn, because they are different. Bass clef, 2/4 time, back to 2/4 time now. And we're still using our C and B. So first thing I want to do is see if I can play it at all. Work out the notes in the rhythm. We're here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So I go through the whole thing and make sure I can play it okay. Then I'll go back over any hard parts where I hesitated or messed up, and I'll make sure that I clean those up. No hesitations. Once that beat starts at the beginning, it continues all the way to the end. Now, they don't give us any articulation, so that's about all we're going to do on this one. Don't have a lot to say on it. We're just using these 2 notes. Keep in mind you don't have to use these 2 fingers. You might want to play this, try the awkward fingers. It's good practice. So you go 1, 2, just for practice, just to use them, or use these fingers. 1, 2, 3. Just for practice. Just, you want to use the other fingers too, but they want you to use these. We'll get to the other fingers eventually, but you don't have to wait. You can do it now if you want. Anyway, once you can play this okay, no hesitations, and you don't need to look at the keyboard. You can remember which key you're on, keys. Let's play it together slowly. I'll give us 2 counts. Ready, go. 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 2. 1, 2. 2. 2.